Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AnyDesk for beginners. So let's get started. So here we are in AnyDesk.com, and this is where you can download the app. So from here, once you're in AnyDesk.com, click on download now. And then from here, you want to select the device that you're currently using right here. In my case, I'm using Windows. I'm going to click on Windows, and then it would automatically download right here. And all I have to do now is basically just run the file that I have downloaded from AnyDesk. And then from there, you should be able to use AnyDesk, the app, right now. So once you're now on the app, you can see your address right here. This is what you would need to provide or give to the other person if you would want your other person to use your device. And you can also configure the permissions right here, or the things that they can do on your device. So when you click here on the invite button right here, you can click here on more. And then from here, you can see the permissions that they would be able to do on your device when they are connected. You can go for the profiles right here. They have some profile templates right here, depending on the permission that you're willing to give. So if it's just screen sharing, then they don't have any permissions. If they have full access, they have all the permissions. If unattended access, it's basically the same. Or you could just simply customize your own right here by disabling and enabling some. In my case, I'll just go for full access. And then from here, the next thing is here in the search bar right here. This is basically where you can input the address that you would want to get access on that certain device. So if someone has given you their address, then you can input it right here, and then they would be prompted that you are requesting an access to their device. So let me show you on what it would look like. So from here, I'm just going to copy my address, and then I'm just going to paste it right here, and I'm going to click on connect or press an enter button. And then from here, this should show up right here. So this is how it would look like. And then from here, you can click here on accept right here, and then that other person will now be able to access your computer. As you can see right now, this is my other screen. This is my computer. So I will now be able to access my computer, and this is how it would look like. So from here, as you can see, I am currently controlling it, and then I can open some apps right here. So for example, I'm just going to open a browser. And as you can see, it is now currently opened right here in my PC. So that is basically how you can do it. This is how you can control it. You can even go and open, you can click on some files and so on. So yeah, that is how it would look like. So now let's go back right here. So let's say we are done. And then now that you know on how you can use the address book to get control or access of someone's PC, the next thing is that we're going to go into the settings. So we're going to click here on this lock button right here. And then from here, you can set a password into your device. You can go for two-factor authentication and some other things. You can go for permissions right here, which we have done earlier, and some other settings right here. But I don't think that won't be necessary if you're just a beginner and you're just trying to use AnyDesk. So yeah, these are basically the fundamental things that you would need to know in order for you to effectively use AnyDesk as a beginner. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.